Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing about the NIOS assignments and which is of science and technology. And here we are discussing question number 2. And before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in PDF and handwritten assignments. So if you need answer of this question, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on your screen. The question number 2 is perform the activity at your home, whose steps are given below with the help of an empty polythene bottle of mineral water and some hot water. After performing the activity, answer the question that follow the steps. Steps and take an empty bottle of mineral water, take some hot water in it, and tightly screwed in a cap in order to make it airtight. Pour cold water on the bottle. And do you observe any changes in the shape of bottle or pouring the cold water? Explain your observations with reasons. So if you need an answer of these questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which will be provided on this screen. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.